Hi everyone, welcome to this training program on basics of earthing, definition, standards, and application regulations. About the author, I'm the author. I'm engineer J.N. Karamchetty. I had my education from IIT Kharagpur, so this is my institute and my temple. Objectives of the modules developed. The author is a qualified and experienced in electrical engineering, power electronics, energy conservation, and auditing, design and implementation of solar photovoltaic power plants, to share his theoretical and practical knowledge with engineering professionals to improve their skills and in turn develop India. Now, definition of earthing. By earthing, we generally mean an electrical connection to the general mass of earth, the latter being a volume of a soil, rock, etc., whose dimensions are very large in comparison to the electricity. Now, in this we have a CEA regulations of 2010 is applicable to us. Earlier Indian electricity rules of 1956 were being adopted, framed as per the provision of Electricity Act of 1910, as per the section 185(2)(c) of the Electricity Act of 2003. These act and rules are repealed as per the section 177 of the Electricity Act 2003. Now it is known as Central Electricity Authority, measures relating to safety and electric supply and regulations of 2010. This is available in the website. I have given the website ID here. And these regulations provide various safety measures for power systems for people who are working in either power systems or industries, those who are connected with the electricity. Objectives of earthing: to provide a current carrying capability, magnitude, and duration without fire or explosive hazard, and operations of protective devices. This references IS 3043/1987 as well as CBIP publication number 302 and October 2007. Now we have a lot of standards in this. They are all listed here. Earthing standards and the manuals, IS 301 of 1966 and reaffirmed in 2006. This stands for Code of Practice for Earthing. IS 230 of 1989, Protection of Buildings, Allied Structures Against Lightning, Code of Practice, and IS 2689 of 1989. And this is a guide for control of undesirable static electricity. Now, earthing standards and the manuals, BS 7430 of 1998, Code of Practice for Earthing. Earlier it was called as a CP 1013, and this is made by the British Standard Institute of London, and BS 6651 of 1992, Protection of Structures Against Lightning. And further standards are IEEE 80, IEEE 144, 142, IEEE 1100 for the protection of our ground of electronic equipment. Earthing standards and the manual is CA measures we have, and manual on earthing of AC power systems prepared by CBIP, and standards. Earthing in substations must conform to the CEA requirements. The requirements of CEA, measures related to safety and electricity supply regulations 2010, and follow the directives laid down in 3043/1987 and its revisions. Now, objectives of earthing. Earthing should be done to achieve the following objectives: to save the human life from the danger of a shock or a death by blowing fuse or tripping of MCB of any apparatus which becomes leaky or faulty, to protect large buildings from atmospheric lightning, to protect all the machines fed from overhead lines from lightning thunders, and to maintain the line voltage with respect to the ground constant, since the neutral of every alternator, transformer, or earth. Personal safety, protection of equipment, and prevention or at least minimizing the damage to the equipment as a result of heavy fault current and the lightning does improve the reliability of the equipment. Protection of system, improve the reliability of power supply. And earthing versus grounding. It is worth noting that in Europe and in India use the term earthing, while in North America and Canada the term grounding is more common. So you can notice in the books and the articles, people will be using earthing and grounding is synonymous. And these are the various symbols. Different authors have made in articles have been used this, courtesy to all of them. And you can see in these photographs, the left side photograph shows that the earthing is connected to body of an electrical equipment. In the right side, the earthing is connected to the neutral and taken into the ground through a earth strip. This is a transformer, distribution transformer of 315 kVA. And this is an earthing of a transmission tower. And you can see the earth conductor, the size of it depends on the fault level in the substation. Now, this is an earth electrode in a substation, and you have seen the earthing electrode also. And this is a nice way of doing it. This has to take care of the short circuit level of the substation. And this is the lightning arrestor. The left side one is generally we keep it on the top of the building, so lightning is being diverted to the ground. Lightning cannot be avoided. It's not in our hands. It can be diverted to the ground. The right side also is a similar one, but this can be used with the transformers or electrical equipments. And conclusion, however, the impedance of earthing system should be low enough that sufficient earth fault current can flow to operate the protective devices correctly, which will in turn initiate the operation of the circuit breakers or fuse to interrupt the flow of the current. Now this module is over, and we will again meet in the next module is earth and unearthed systems of part 22. Thank you very much.